project is designed in a densely populated area called Cast Street in Mangalore, where there were old Mangalorean vernacular houses and which were almost extinct now. So the structure basically is designed in tropical modern style, which suits the ethnicity of the old Cast Street in a modern day format. The site dimensions are around let's say 60 feet by 80 feet, for which we had to leave at least around 20 feet for road widening. So ultimately the total area what we got was only 4,000 square foot, in which we could build this particular place. So what the local municipality did was they gave us height for the building, so we could build one floor extra. The client requirement was quite basic when it came to the lifestyle. They just needed a 4 BHK house, but since it was their dream house, he wanted to display most of his collections in this house, and he is a collector himself. So more or less we could give all his dreams in this particular project. So the plot is a very a rectangular plot with the east-west direction, with the road right now being 5 meters. It's got a widening, will be widened to 18 meters, and this is being north and south. So we have the the wind from the southwest and the western front. But what has happened is, since there are lots of buildings around, so there are you can call this as a windbreaker. The total house faces west, so this being the main entry, and we have given large balconies around the house, so that it breaks the rain as well as the western sun. So we have addressed to all the climatical factors by having large openings and giving lots of light into the house. The stilt level, which is the ground floor, had a floor plate of 1,500, but the effective build was around 695 square foot, which we had parking for 3 cars. We had a lobby space and a little foyer with the elevator going on up to the terrace floor. And we had definitely we had landscaped all around with all tropical plants. The house is divided into private and semi-private spaces. So in the first floor, we come to a grand entrance lobby where there's a water body, and which on the eastern side, northeastern side, we have a puja room located. So in the first floor, we just have a living dining space, which is again quite open, with an open kitchen and an utility space. In the second floor, again we have 2 bedrooms. One is a guest bedroom on the southeastern side, and elder son's bedroom on the southwest part. So it has a very compact floor plate of 1,500, with including the staircase and the balconies put together. So on the third floor, we have the master bedroom. There is a living space again. We have the younger son's room, and we have an interesting toilet which we have designed here in the master suite. It has a double light level to the entire space. So where we have the bathtub placed on the mezzanine part, and the WC and the wash below that. And the terrace floor, which is the final level, is just a space where people can go later in the evening and enjoy the view around. With regards to the materials usage, laterite is the cladding material, and inside we have again sourced out the granite again as the cladding part in the interior spaces. Again, it's a locally available material. For the flooring of the house, we have used Nexion tile, Botticino. The laterite what we used as a cladding was a laterite veneer, but the total construction of the building was done using this laterite stone because in Mangalore and around Mangalore we have these laterite quarries around, and this has been happening since age-old time. So this particular construction technique. So the entire building was built on a laterite, masonry. In this particular project, we have used lots of wood with regards to the balcony railings, wooden columns. The wooden columns were it was a part of client's collection. So we used all his collection, whatever was with him, we tried to use it in the building. The railings were made on site. Again, it was natural teak wood. Again, we coated with PU for the weathering part. So basically, we had all this floral forms even to the the railings. Even the eaves had the same kind of a floral this motif forms even to the eaves drop too. Where the entry foyer, we have this double-eyed space in the entry foyer. So we had this wooden barrels. In olden days, these barrels were used to store water. So this client had this collection of these barrels, and it was his brain, to use these barrels as the light fixtures. Only a part in his house which was which had a fusion is bedrooms. Other material what we used was in the staircase railing we used this wood and brass combination, again to give the little ethnic touch to it. Even the interior doors had this brass work on them. So it was a combination of wood, brass and new age materials like glass and steel. So basically with this tropical and the vernacular touch of the entire house, where most of the colors were using the earthy tones, the earthen palettes. So we tried to use the modern palette too, using mauves and the greens. So basically most of the materials were sourced in Mangalore. The total project was worked with the total labor from Mangalore itself, from the masons to the final furniture works. So nothing was outsourced or bought from any other place. Everything was locally done. And the experience was great in this project because the client himself is quite creative in his approach. So he had given us a total free hand when it came to the design part as well as even during the execution. So overall, he wanted a house which was having a vernacular and a modern touch. And he is totally satisfied because we gave him what he wanted. And till today, even I meet him, he tells me the same thing, that he is the most happiest living this place.